What is the worst thing that can happen if you start a business today? You start it 3 months from now, it doesn't work. 6 months doesn't work. 9 months doesn't work. 1 year doesn't work. You can always go back to the job. But what if you don't start a business today? 1 year from now, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years from now, how would your life be different? You will not have time freedom. You would have missed the opportunity. And here's what's going to happen. You will have a lot of regret. And you will have something like, I wish I would have started. I wish I would have had the courage. I wish I should have tried and taken the risk. But guess what? एक बार समय निकल गया, it does not come back. This is an opportunity for you right now. I'm telling you that nothing worse can happen. You know why? Because the process that I built, it is for people who are in a job, who don't know how to start a business, who don't know how to find the passion and build the business around it in a simple and easy manner. You don't trust a word I say because मेरा job है ना. You think that, oh, it's your job, it's your business, you have to tell people and encourage people. You're not going to come and pay my bills. Guess what? I got hundreds and thousands of my mentees who were exactly like you, who did not know what their passion is, but they took the leap of faith. They took first step, the courage, because even if something goes wrong, they can always go back to the job. But they don't want to have regret. At least try kiya humne. Whether it works or not, it's up to Almighty. But it is impossible to fail. If you follow the process, it is impossible to fail in business. पहली बार जब मैंने शुरू किया था, I was scared like, what if it doesn't work? I have bills to pay, I have mouths to feed. Guess what? I had my mentor, I had the processes, and here I am, running a very successful business. We made 50 crores last year. We're going to make 100 crores this year. And guess what? Anybody can do this. So can you. Are you ready? Are you ready to learn the process? If yes, click the link, join this webinar. And if you're wondering who is this guy, my name is Dev Gadhvi. I'm India's first Passionpreneur mentor, twice best-selling author, TEDx and Joe Stock speaker, and I'm on a mission to transform 1 billion lives. मैं लोगों की job छुड़वाता हूँ और business शुरू करवाता हूँ. This is what makes me happy, and I really enjoy when I'm able to help people to become first crorepati in their family. And I hope you're one of them. Click the link, join the webinar before it is too late.
When I joined Dev Gadhvi, I transformed myself.
He's someone who has a heart of gold.
My perspective towards seeing the business has changed. He was a person I will always look as an epitome of serving.
Building up that enthusiasm and energy to go behind what you like, that's what Dev Gadhvi had impacted a lot around this.